What if the most extreme weather you've ever witnessed was just the beginning? What if the very fabric of our planet's climate is shifting faster than we can fully understand? Today, we're diving into the science of Earth's future weather, from megastorms and fire tornadoes to climate-proof cities and groundbreaking tech designed to help us survive what's coming next. For generations, we've had a sense of what normal weather feels like. But that sense of normal? It's evaporating. The 2024 heat domes, 2025 hurricane season, and unprecedented floods across Asia and Europe weren't outliers. They were previews. Scientists call this the new climate baseline, a world where record-breaking becomes routine, and extremes define the average. So how did we get here? Cut to animation. Earth's atmosphere filling with greenhouse gases since the Industrial Revolution. Carbon dioxide traps heat. Oceans absorb that heat. And warmer oceans mean more evaporation, which means more energy in the weather system. That energy doesn't disappear. It comes back as storms, floods, droughts, and wildfires, supercharged by a planet running a fever. Heat waves. Narrator. By 2050, heat waves that once struck every 50 years could hit every summer. Cities like Delhi, Phoenix, and Madrid could see temperatures so high that concrete warps and power grids collapse. Hurricanes and superstorms, warmer oceans act like jet fuel for hurricanes. Category 5 storms, once rare, could become the new normal. And they're slower now, dumping more rain. Lingering longer, wildfires. Meanwhile, fire seasons have no off switch. The Amazon, California, and even the Arctic are burning simultaneously, feeding a feedback loop that makes the planet even hotter. These changes don't just reshape the planet, they reshape us. Food systems are strained. Insurance models collapse. Coastal cities spend billions fighting back the tide, but it's not just about doom, it's about adaptation. Across the world, brilliant minds are racing to innovate. AI-powered climate models now predict extreme events weeks in advance, saving thousands of lives. Floating cities in places like Singapore and the Maldives are redefining what flood-proof living looks like. Self-healing materials and cool roof technologies are reducing urban heat by up to 40%. And massive reforestation and carbon capture projects are trying to slow the spiral. Humanity has always been resilient, but this time survival will depend on how fast we can learn, adapt, and innovate. The future of our planet's wildest weather isn't set in stone. The storms, the droughts, the heat waves, they're not just natural events anymore. They're reflections of our choices. The next few decades will decide whether these extremes become our downfall, or our greatest test of innovation and unity. The weather is changing. The question is, will we? If you believe in science, innovation, and hope for a sustainable future, subscribe, share this video, and join the conversation, because understanding the storm is the first step to surviving it.